Hey, what's up, guys? How are you? Hope you're fine. Now, welcome back to another video about AMP coin, guys. In this video, I'm talking about the latest price update of AMP coin. What's the price changes occur in the AMP coin? Let me show you guys. But before starting this video, please subscribe my channel for more news and update videos about AMP coin, guys. So let's start the video, guys. The right now price of AMP coin in the market is about 0.04851 for USD dollar. That is the right now price of AMP coin. Furthermore, guys, if we talk about the changes of AMP coin, so now the last 1 hour change is about positive 0.02%. The last 1 day changes is negative 1.26%. Last 1 week change is about negative 4.91%, guys. So the changes of AMP coin are going completely in the lows, guys. Completely in the lows, guys. Let me show you the price chart. Oh my god, that's congratulations to all of you, because in the latest last 1 hour AMP coin start jumping, guys. You know what, you can see in the previous time the price of AMP coin very badly jumps, but in the latest situation AMP coin price started jumping, guys, and I hope, guys, that for a long time AMP coin will continue this jump, guys. Anyways, what is your prediction, what is your opinion about AMP coin? Please also share in the comment box, and don't forget to subscribe channel.